My name is Mark Tidball, and I'm 61 years old.
Okay.
My pain level is pretty much non-existent now, and before it was getting to the point where every time I would get up off the couch or something, it would take me a minute of walking to get kind of normal. But I always had lower back pain. It's been quite a few years, probably 20 years. I had a pretty tough job at one point where I was doing a lot of lifting, and I think that probably started the whole thing. It was the lower spine, and it had collapsed, and it was bone on bone, so they put me back up and put a wedge in and 2 screws to hold everything together. Actually, my wife had back problems and came to Dr. Campson, and he helped her tremendously with several operations. And because of that, she mentioned that I was having a little bit of a problem with my back, and so he came in one day and said, "I'm gonna take a look at your back." And that's how it started. He took x-rays and then so forth, and showed me the results, and he said this was what the problem is, and he was able to show, I mean, it was obvious what the problem was. Well, after witnessing my wife's surgeries, I had pretty high expectations that he could help me quite a bit. I have a lot less pain, almost pain-free, so that's a good thing. And I was pretty active, snowmobiling, four-wheeling, hiking, hunting, and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I can hardly wait to get back to doing that kind of stuff.
Would you recommend Spine Institute Northwest to other folks?
And I have. I'd say get on in here and talk to these people here. They're all really good.